Today on CJ Off-Road, we're going to show you how to ditch your factory front grille. If you're looking to add a custom touch to the front end of your JK, then today we're going to be installing this Oracle Lighting LED front vector grille fitting your 2007 to 2018 Jeep JK Wrangler. This all-new vector grille from Oracle Lighting features a ton of new characteristics that we haven't before seen in any JK grille we've installed. It features 4 adjustable LED low beam emitters, 2 adjustable LED driving beam emitters, 2 high beams, a dynamic running light setup with an amber lighting around the corner to illuminate the turn signals. Features a plug-and-play design with all of your factory wiring and utilizes the factory clips that attach your factory grille. Today we're going to get it installed on our 2008 Jeep Wrangler. Tools needed for this installation: Phillips head screwdriver, trim removal tool, 1/4 inch ratchet, small extension, and a T15 Torx bit. To start this installation, we have to remove our factory grille. It takes 6 clips to get pulled off. Let's pop the hood and get started. On our 2008 Wrangler, they use a Phillips head screwdriver to pull out the insert of the tab. If you have a newer Jeep, it'll just have a push pin. So I like to get this center part out, then use a trim removal tool and just pop out the inner part. Set these aside, you'll be reinstalling them later. Before you pull the grille off, make sure that you remove the light bulb for the turn signal. It simply twists counterclockwise on the back, then you can pull the connection with the bulb right out. Do that on both sides and then pull the grille off. If you don't have these headlight guards, the only bolt that you need to remove is this headlight adjustment bolt. It'll let you pull the whole housing out. Since we do have some guards, we're going to remove those, pull the light out, then we can get to this headlight adjustment bolt. They all use a T15 Torx bit. Pull the headlight right out towards you. Disconnect any connections that you have. This one does have an adapter, so we'll pull that off. Pull the red tab, then push it on the green part, and it'll separate nice for you. Now we can get to the last step, which is to remove this headlight adjustment bolt, which will allow this to completely be pulled out towards us. Once that light is out, repeat the same process on the other side. We flip the grille over. We have to do a little bit of prep work in order to get it on. They include these clips here, which goes on the back side and slides into the factory location. All you have to do is push them down and they sit nice and firm. Go along the bottom row and put one on each post. The screws on the lower section here are loose from shipping. Go ahead and tighten them down. Before you pop it in, make sure that you connect all the wiring. Connect the turn signal wiring. Then connect the H13 plug. Put the red clasp down. Repeat the same process on the other side. If you have it plugged in, set the grille up into place. It'll slide in through the bottom and clip right on in. Pop the pins back in that you took out originally. Once you have all the clips installed, your installation is complete. Let's get this grille lit up and see how it looks. As you can see, these lights are incredibly bright, plus the daytime running light feature is really neat. Let's see how the turn signals look. As with any LED turn signal, you might have to put a resistor in there, that way you don't get the hyper flash. Last but not least, let's see how the high beams look. We just finished up the install of the Oracle LED Vector Grille on our 2008 Jeep Wrangler. This grille looks really awesome. It's got daytime running lights built in, 8 LED headlights, and even some LED turn signals. You can find this Vector Grille as well as many other great parts for your JK right here at cjponyparts.com.